Hello, today I am putting together and installing a spin bike. The bike is Pooboo, that's the brand name, and the bike is white and gray, and it shouldn't be too difficult to install at all. Please consider subscribing to my YouTube page. And thank you for watching. This is my bike, my Pooboo bike, my sport bike. And I will show you how to install it, installation process, and I will show you how to use the app. When I got my bike, in the box was a flyer, and it showed that I could send in for a device that would hook up to the bike using my phone, and you could interactively bike ride in a generated app that was kind of like a game, and you could choose different choices to ride your bike, like if you wanted to ride it on Route 66 or if you wanted to ride in Venice. And I will show you how to do that. So this is what I received in the mail, and it plugs in, this side plugs in to your phone or your iPad. And then you're going to take these two connectors and you're going to put them together. Then you're going to plug it in to the back side of here. And it is that easy. So I am on my spin bike, my Pooboo bike, and I received in the mail a device. It would say a connector that connects to my phone, and I just did this Monaco one, and now we'll do this Nevada. So you click on it, you get ready to race. You're racing with others. I'm in the orange, and we'll see how good I do here. And I think that this is a very nice app. I've got it to work. All you do is download it from your app store, then you plug it into your phone or your iPad through the sensor connector on the back of this dial. You have a pulse and a sensor. And that is how that you install this. Alright, so we got the bike out of the box, and we have to lift the bike upright. But the first thing you want to do is you want to cut this where the handlebars are, and then after that's cut, we're going to lift the bike upright, and then we're going to start with the foot stand and installing the foot stand. So we put this part here, and we put the screw going up from the bottom up, and then I put the washer and the nut and the bolt on. And that's how we do that. Now you tighten each one. So you're going to use the tool provided to tighten the foot pegs. Now we are putting on the handlebars, and this is the position that you want the handlebars to be in, so that your iPad or your book or your phone can fit here, and you put your hands here because this is the heart monitor. Okay, and then you're going to take it on here and you're going to screw this on here, and you're going to do that. You're going to do this one first, then you're going to do that one, and then this one, and then you're going to screw this one on. Now, as for the pulse and the sensor, okay, so you're going to have this part right here plugged into this side, and you're going to have the pulse, which is written right here, plugged in on this side. So that's how that is going to plug in.